Hey, what's up, guys? So look what came in today in the mail. Pretty much pick up the IDoing Headunit because my old Android head unit finally crapped out. So that's pretty much just what it says it does. And this is the other side of the box. Same thing. So I'm just gonna put on a tripod and do a quick unboxing. Got the all the wires. Oh, that's nice. Comes with some trim tools. Pretty much all the wires. If you're curious, 4-pin and 24-pin. So I'm assuming this is for the, I think the 15 model, and this is like the 16 and 2021 24-pin. It's nice. So it's all the connections. So this is the newer model. So pretty much all your, your factory pins is gonna connect in, or factory plugs is all gonna connect in here. And these are the accessories for like USB and all that stuff. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Can't wait to install it. So this one is gonna be your USB port. So extra USB. This is for your 4G. Maybe you have a SIM card, but I'm not gonna use this one. That's pretty much for the 4G. This is the mic, the factory one that I had on my old Android head unit. It used the mic that's on here, which freaking sucks. So I'm glad it comes with this, so I'm gonna use this and wire it up. GPS antenna, if you're gonna use this, I'm gonna use the Apple CarPlay. Well, I'm not really sure what this is for. It might be for the newer models. Mine's a 16. Oh man, it's pretty awesome. They have everything labeled out so you can see everything. Definitely gonna use this. This is for my sub, so I have to wire this up. Extra USB port. RCA cables for the subs. Using this one too. This one I'm not really sure what this is for. It might be for the newer cars or the older one. The antenna, radio antenna connector. And this is probably for the, I think like the Forester and all that stuff. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's gonna be just a quick video. It's all the wires. I gotta figure out how to wire it up. It's the back connection if you guys are curious on how it looks like. It's the factory plugs connection there. And then these are all your USB ports, RCA cables, mic setting, and all that stuff. I think it's a SIM card for your 4G or something like that. Not really sure. Might not even use this. But yeah. But I was checking the connections. So pretty much they did a pretty good job with the connection now. All the connections, they are pretty much, you don't need to worry about where it goes. It's all molded, or the connection, they're designed to fit only one way. So you see this one have that the edge part where it goes in. So all the connections have their own designated slots. So this one just goes in right here. And just slides in. And it snaps in place. That's pretty much it. Just gonna do the rest, but I'll do that when I install it. I was just looking at everything out. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the unboxing. Stay tuned for the install. Peace.